I have shot many hours worth of video at this point. I've been kind of like between apartments here and there for the past few weeks. I'm on my way to my Airbnb right now. You can rent a tree house. There's a tree house for rent in Gatineau. Whatever. It's gonna be a great video series. It's not as windy here as it was over there. Over there I was actually having trouble standing up. But apparently there are power lines down everywhere. I've been listening to the scanner radio thingy. There's power lines down all over the city. All over like what's it called? All over the county basically. There's just like the whole city is just a sound of sirens right now at short range, or long range I mean. Something interesting happened here. I'm not sure what, but all the signs are blown over. That would have been rather interesting to see happen, I think. And a little bit scary. I've been walking around looking out for things that could be flying through the air to smoke me and basically be like that billboard. 2012. Those aren't light either. It's another sign blown over. Like, this isn't your typical place for wind because of the giant buildings, but I guess there could be some strange downdrafts and things. Back over here, everything is upright and as if nothing happened. Interesting. That is a genius marketing plan. I like that. Oh, that's enough of that. Even little time lapses like that one take a long time to record, and now I'm cold. So, yeah, enough of that. Look at all the lights out here. They weren't kidding about the no power thing. There's no street lights on here at all. I'll show you this.
The lights are dead. There's a lot of power.
Quickie. Circle K has no power. I've got a flashlight though, so I'm fine. But yeah, just this little block section right here. Probably. Well, you can hear the alarm going off in the Circle K. My flashlight is very bright, so I don't aim it up very high. I blind other drivers. Well, I'm not driving, blind drivers, you know what I mean. Oof. All the street lights are out. Nature Museum still has power. And yep, we got a whole section of the road there. Watch out for traffic, but we get run over, you know. Anyway, that's enough of that. I am hungry and tired. This has got to be the nuttiest police scanner day I've ever listened to the police scanner. There are downed lines all over the province. There are electrically sparking thingies sparking everywhere. I'm just so tired. I'm not even thinking clearly. But yes,
So what happened on
lots of.
this radio listening night that was so different from all your other radio listening nights?
Oh, it's just volume. Like, this is way worse than any ice storm I've heard.
Like crashes and stuff?
Not crashes, but just like down power lines everywhere. There's power lines down everywhere, like all over the province. There's the hydro people are not giving ETAs for their for showing up to shut off power for down power lines. So like the police and the fire trucks all over the province are currently basically just closing down roads and shutting off areas, waiting for hydro to show up and shut off power lines. And like
Make it safe again.
they've got like leaking cars, like cars leaking fluids. They've got trees down on top of cars. They've got power lines down all over the place. They have like traffic lights that have been blown off of the power lines. Like the traffic lights are dangling. There's trees over top of power lines with the power still on all over the place, with the trees sparking and things like that. Like, and nobody can get near it because they're just waiting for the hydro crews to come in and shut down the power lines. It was a little windy here last night.